Good morning, everybody. It is Jenn and Kanata, and today is January 20th, and I'm going to show you what we're going to eat today, of what we're going to eat for Low Spend Month.
Well, had to show you Peter first. Right, Peter? I'm tired, Mommy. And Abby is having frosted flakes as well. Today is a day of cereal. So, my daughter is going to have ramen noodle spicy chicken bowl. She's not feeling so great, but the spices will help clear out sinuses, and I am going to be going out for lunch with a friend. Hey everybody, I'm back. I'm just making supper right now. I'm going to cook up, I'm making pad thai for supper. So I'm cooking up the egg, I just scramble it and then separate it. And then I'm cooking up the tofu and then take it out. Then I'm going to cook up the meat and then take it out. And then the vegetables. And then I put the noodles in and then throw everything back in. So literally I just cracked eggs in my wok. And I'm just stirring it around, getting it all to cook up. And then just removing it. Gotta flip it so it's all cooked. You want to make sure the eggs are fully cooked. And so this is just a half a package of the tofu. The other half I'm going to cover it with water and put in the fridge for another meal. You just change the water with tofu every day or so, and just use it within a week. But I like to pan fry the pieces a bit to get some texture on there, because my family is not necessarily big on tofu, but it definitely makes you stretch your proteins more. Same with the egg. And I'm just putting, there's 2 peppers, 2 small onions, and some bok choy in there. I'm going to cook that up too. And then I am putting the pad thai sauce that's really made. Just squirt some over everything. Stir it in. And squirt more. Squirt more. Just go stir that in. So there's the pork. I just dumped in there. It's a little bit frozen still, so it might take a little bit longer, but normally it would take about 10-15 minutes to cook up all the pork pieces. Then I'll remove this. I'll add some pad thai sauce to this, even though it's marinated, just a little bit. Remove that and add the noodles later. And make sure all the meat is cooked. I'm going to remove it and then cook the noodles. So there, I put the noodles in. They've been soaked in warm water, so now they just have to, so they're soft, but not cooked. Just heating them up till they're fully cooked, and then I will re-put all of the other food back. All of this food back in there and stir it up and serve. And then I re-add all of the cooked vegetables and meat and that back in. And stir that up. bring it all to the right temperature and then just serve it. And there we have it. So here is the leftovers. There's this big container of pad thai. I don't know how many cups is that. 4 cups. This one's 2 cups. So 6 cups of pad thai left. I'm going to put it in the cooler in the garage. If it freezes, it's fine. All those ingredients will freeze fine. And I have tofu here, half a block of tofu left to use in hot and sour soup or pad thai. Those are the two that we like to use it in more often. I still have one more tofu in the fridge that to use up too, so it's a great way to stretch out a meal. So supper was a hit, and we will be having those leftovers sometime. Everybody liked it, but they didn't want seconds that were all full. And not sure what we're doing tomorrow. I'm still making the menu. I've defrosted the meat, or partially, so once it's fully defrosted, I'll check it out tomorrow and start cooking up, and then I will try and wing it. I'm not going to do groceries until Thursday or Friday, so I've just got to use what we have. I might season up with Asian sauces and stuff, because I have lots of that. And do like an Asian lettuce wrap or Asian bowl type thing. Because we have rice noodles, so we can easily do something like that, or ramen. But I'll have to kind of see how it is tomorrow morning. So, see you tomorrow. Bye, friends.